Hi dears, welcome back to my channel. So I work at Hilton and yes, we get some juicy staff offers. Last weekend me and my husband planned a fun trip to Desert Falls with his friend's family. But guess what? Surprise! The offer is doesn't work on the weekends. So we turned around heartbroken and sweaty. We changed to plan B. Let's go to Misfir Cave. It's about 40 kilometers from Doha, near to Raudat Rashid. And trust me, it is the cooler than your AC during the summer. When you step inside, the cave glows with the magical crystals called desert roses. It's feel like a walking inside moon little fairy tale until your legs start feeling complaints. When you're going down, oh, the nature is so beautiful. Coming up, help, I can't feel my legs. 2 days of leg pain is ensured. No gym needed. Just Misfir cave and some serious gravity. Pro tip or wear comfy shoes, bring water, and don't forget a torch. It's pinch black inside. Still 10 out of 10 would recommend it. Free, magical, and definitely leg day approved. Like and follow and save this for next spontaneous plan B adventure. Catch you in the next one. Thank you very much.